Let's have a little bit of fun now. We've talked about all the slime and the boo bubbles and the magic potion. It is all happening at the Imagination Station. They're trying to bring out the wizard in you for the Halloween season.
Oh, assemble the Wisengamut Potter files, if you get that. Anyway, 13 ABC's Christy Lee joins us live from the Imagination Station. Oh, what do you got cooking down there, Christy?
Well, I finally have a costume going on. I'm a scientist, spooky one. We're doing some spooky science actually in the Imagination Station. I'm here with Carl Nelson, the chief scientist here. And what are we going to start out with?
We're going to start out with a giant pumpkin, okay, and some dry ice. So I'm going to pass some dry ice to you. Stuff is 109 degrees below zero, so that's why we have the gloves on. Don't want to touch it. We're going to make a spooky crystal cauldron using a pumpkin.
Okay.
All right. So what I'm going to have you do is drop the dry ice into the hot water over here.
Do that first.
Yeah, just drop it right in.
Okay.
And you see you get that nice fog sort of coming off. I'm going to pick this up and drop it right inside. Well, you know what? Let's add some more dry ice as well. Let's go for a big version here. Now, we take a piece of soapy cloth, all right, and I'm going to drag it right over the top of the pumpkin. And if I do this correctly, I should be able to make a nice soap film that will seal up the gas inside.
Oh, wow. That's really neat.
And it looks kind of like a cauldron. Now, the cool thing with this, let me grab the glove from me here. The cool thing with this is if you touch it with a soapy hand, so dip your hand, burrow it right down, get it wet.
All right.
And
All wet.
gently stick your fingers into the bubble.
This
See
is
what happens.
creepy.
See what happens?
Oh!
All right, so when the dry part of your hand touches the bubble, it pops. But this is a really cool thing you can do, you know, maybe on your doorstep for people when they're trick-or-treating or for Halloween. Dry ice, warm water, hollow out a pumpkin. You could even probably throw the dry ice right into the pumpkin with some hot water as well.
Oh, how neat. Where can people get this dry ice from?
There's a couple places in town. One is Carbonic Enterprises on Detroit, and the other is on Secor Reliant Propane.
Okay, but again, be careful with it. Always wear gloves. It is dangerous to hold, so keep that in mind. But what a neat trick. We'll have lots more neat tricks coming up in the next half hour. Reporting live from Imagination Station, Christy Lee, 13 ABC Action News.
Write that
You know,
down. Carbonic.
I know. I'm still trying to figure out exactly where Carl Nelson lives because I think that he's probably has like the most elaborate Halloween display of them all.
Yeah, he probably does. And he's got a stockpile of dry ice out
Yeah,
back.
right.